Wubsy lives in a tree, he likes to play, play, play. He's got a bendy tail and he likes it that way. Wow, wow, Wubsy, 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 wow, wow. Gidget is his friend, she likes to build. She hammers and she
Wow, wow, Wubsy fans!
Wow, wow, Wubsy, 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 wow, wow. Walden is their friend, he's really smart. He knows about science and books and art. Wow, wow, Wubsy, 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 wow, wow. Wubsy and
Grab a giant bucket and a giant paintbrush. Tonight we're gonna draw Gidget, one of Widget's best inventions. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Sorry about this, everyone. This song is so awesome, I don't want to stop listening to it.
Wow, wow, everyone. My name is Wubsy.
Here are
Wubsy lives in a tree.
Gidget's ears.
He's got a bendy tail and he likes it that way. Wow, wow, Wubsy.
This young fellow is solar powered,
She is his friend. She likes to build. She hammers and she saws and her tool
and she can do everything Widget can.
Walden is their friend. He's really smart. He knows about science and books and art.
And launches kickity kickballs.
Wubsy and Widget and Walden are friends. And when they are together, the fun never ends.
Wow, wow, everyone. My name is Wubsy.
Wubsy lives in a tree, he likes to play, play, play. He's got a bendy tail and he likes it that way. Wow, wow, Wubsy, 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 wow, wow. Widget is his friend, she likes to build. She hammers and she saws and her toolbox is filled. Wow, wow, Wubsy, 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 wow, wow. Walden is their friend, he's really smart. He knows about science and books and art. Wow, wow, Wubsy, 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 wow, wow. Wubsy and Widget and Walden are friends. Wow, wow, Wubsy, 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 wow, wow. And when they are together, the fun never ends. Wow, wow, Wubsy, 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 wow, wow. Wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow.
Wow. Wow, wow, everyone. My name is Wubsy.
Let's get into bionics.
He likes to play, play, play. He's got a bendy tail and he likes it that way. Wow, wow, Wubsy, 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 wow, wow. Widget is his friend. She likes to build. She hammers and she saws and her toolbox is filled. Wow, wow, Wubsy, 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 wow, wow. Walden is their friend. He's really smart. He knows about science and books and art. Wow, wow, Wubsy, 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 wow, wow. Wubsy and Widget and Walden are friends. Wow, wow, Wubsy, 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 wow, wow. And when they are together, the fun never ends. Wow, wow, Wubsy, 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 wow, wow. Wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow.
Wow.
Got it.
Wow, wow,
Alexa,
everyone.
play Warriors for Hire.
I don't know that one.
Tail and he likes it that
Alexa, play
way.
Warriors for Hire.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
Once upon a normal day in the city of LA, Kyle Carosa got an idea for a crazy show.
Streamed on apps was the mission, now it's moved to television.
Everyone at Cartoon Network
Hopes it doesn't blow.
Hey, that's not very nice.
There.
What? They're all thinking it.
This is rated TV. Why?
Hey, this is a tribute song, not the actual show.
Oh, okay. Brother-sister combination with announcer narration on the hunt for Magiswords to increase their supply.
Hired by Zanji, she's the princess, not the queen.
Taking out all evildoers cause we are the good guys. We're warriors for hire. Magiswords we're bowling, evil fiends we're dueling. We're warriors.
There. That's how you draw Gidget. From Wow Wow Wubsy. Awesome. Awesome. Love him.
Never think that we will win.
For highest on accordion.
Now, this is my message to you all. Get tacky and get sketchy. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.
Magiswords